My name is Anna Brooks. After the phone call, I feel different. I feel stronger. I feel more confident. The next morning, I wake up at 6 again. I open my window. The air is fresh. I smile. I make my tea. I sit near the window. I open my English video. Listen and repeat, the woman says. I listen carefully. I repeat slowly. My voice is clearer now. I am not afraid of my own voice. At work, my manager gives me a new task. Anna, he says, can you write a short email in English? Before, this made me nervous, but today I feel calm. I say, yes, I can do it. I sit at my desk. I open my computer. I read the email slowly. I understand it. I start to write. The sentences are simple but clear. I read my email again. It looks good. I send it. A few minutes later, my manager replies. Good work, he writes. I feel proud. At lunchtime, I sit alone. I practice English in my head. I am eating lunch. I feel relaxed. I am improving every day. In the evening, I walk home. The streets are quiet. The sky is soft and blue. I think about my progress. It is not fast, but it is real. At home, I try something new. I turn off my phone. I speak English for 5 minutes. I talk about my day. My day was good. I worked. I wrote an email. I spoke English. I make mistakes, but I do not stop. Mistakes are okay. They help me learn. The next weekend, I meet my friend Lisa. We sit in a small cafe. Lisa says, "You speak English better now." I laugh. "Really?" I ask. She nods. "Yes, you sound more confident." I feel happy. That night, I write in my notebook. I will practice every day. Small steps, no fear. I close the notebook. I know my journey is not finished, but now I believe in myself. Step by step, I am learning, and I will continue.